Hi, my name is Tracy, and I have from Chic Tech some Coozaming 30 LED 35 Lumens Solar Post Lights 2-pack. These are super bright LED posts. I did take them out of the box so they could get some sun today, so that later on tonight I can go ahead and show you how these look. But you get 2 of these, and they have flat back, so even if you don't have a post like I'm going to show you in a minute, you can certainly put these on a flat surface as well, so they're not like curved in, as you can see. This does come with some screws and some posts there, so you could screw them in. You simply take this off. All right, so you could install them in there, and then you're going to want to be able to take them off anyway, because right here is the on-off light, so you're going to turn them on or off. This little button right here, you're just going to press in for on or off. And what I'm going to do, actually, because I couldn't find a drill anywhere, and I had one, but typically my husband takes my stuff and leaves it somewhere. So what I did was I got some of this Command picture hanging strips. I'm going to install them with those. So we're going to go over to where we're going to install them, and we'll take a little look at how quick and easy they're installed, and then later on tonight I'll film how they look once they're installed. Now I do want to show you, if you don't have a post that you can use, but you do have like a raised bed garden like we have here, you can easily put these in here and they would look lovely. So this is my mom's raised bed garden, and even just putting them right there and getting them into the dirt a little bit would be a really nice showcase. Okay, so you can see how it would look installed on a bed. You could also use that Command tape if instead of having it on the bed, you wanted to put it and that's another reason that I want to use the Command tape, because we may decide to at some point put them in the garden as well. So here we are at the post, and I'm just going to put one right here next to the name and one right on the top like that. The other thing is this isn't an area that gets a lot of sun. So I'm going to take those off and set them in the sun so they continue to catch some good light, although the other solar lights we have here do work perfectly. So there it is on the top of the post, on the top and on the side. And we're going to go set these out in the light and come back later on tonight. And there is the final project, and I really like those. I think those look great in the garden as well. So beautiful, beautiful. Thank you again for giving me the opportunity to try these out. I think it's a great addition. We still have our other ones out that we had gotten from Coozaming. So those aren't lit up because the spotlight's right on them. But if the spotlight were to go off, those would go on as well. So these we've had for a while now. They're still working perfectly. Again, the spotlight up on the house is shining down on those, which is why those aren't on. But look at how gorgeous those are. All right, thank you again.